Hi, my name is Catherine, and today I'm going talking about the random questions. My random question is: do you prefer to shop online or in stores? Okay, I prefer to shop online because it's more comfortable and practical than buying in a store at the mall. First, I think that it's easier and I only see the different clothes and with the different styles. In my case, I have my favorite online store it is called Matanza. I like rock and the relaxed clothes, and in fact, I know my size is why I have no change. I like because I know that I have delivery in 3 days, and I get in my clothes. I also prefer to transfer the price from my credit cards and at home. Second, I prefer to buy online because I don't have any sales person telling me it is perfect for you. I prefer to shop my clothes in silence. I save time, I save money on transportations, and I see it on the app store are the same that you can look at in the mall. It really is the same. Another thing and to mention is that I used to felt a bit insecure at the moment to buy the clothes. Then I realized that there is no problem. It's totally safe. Is to buy on the correct website. I like to buy online, and I think it's amazing because I can be in my home and drinking a coffee and my phone in hands. Also, I'm thinking shopping online is cool because they are um, different website and to buy and all kinds of the clothes and shoes technology. Even sometimes I can see the difference offer that you can see in the physical store. It's for that I prefer to buy and online in the online store.